And let me be as clear as I can be. And sometimes it's difficult to be clear because this isn't a straightforward thing. There are different types of migration and different types of migrants. The situation is that anybody who is a UK or Irish citizen has a right to live in this country. Anybody who is an EU or EEA citizen has a right to live, work, study and do business in this country, just as we can in all of their countries too. And that's what it means to be part of the European Union. And I think the advantages of that outweigh the disadvantages manifold, and people have voted that way in referendums on many occasions. When it comes to anyone else, in order to enter the country, they require a visa. It might be a work visa, it might be a student visa, it might be a work permit, and of course vetting occurs in those instances. Separately to that, we have people who arrive from Ukraine under the Temporary Protection Directive. They have a right to be here under European law. We do our best to accommodate them as best we can, and the right to work and study too. And then we have people who arrive in a regular manner and under international law, just as is the case in Italy and in Britain and in France and in America. They can apply for protection, and our job is to assess their application as quickly as possible, give them legal status if they're entitled to it. If they're not, to issue a deportation order and ensure that's enforced. That is our migration policy. And I know it's not simple, I know it's not straightforward, but it can't be, because life isn't straightforward and the world isn't straightforward, and there are different people coming from different countries for different reasons. But that is the policy that we have, Deputy.